I wish a very good morning and a happy Teachers' Day to Principal Sir, the Vice Principal Ma'am, the Academic Instructor, the coordinators, the academic coordinators, the staff members, of course the students, and most importantly, all of the in-charges and the teachers of Ideal Public School, and if possible, all of the teachers, tutors, faculty members, anyone who taught in this whole wide world. Firstly, I'd like to mention that this Teachers' Day is one of the saddest and worst Teachers' Days ever for the millions of lives we lost in the world due to coronavirus and the disease it causes, COVID-19. I don't know what awaits us, but whatever happens, just stay safe, all of you. Teachers, kids, employees, businessmen or women, just anybody, just stay safe. That's all we need. Coming to the point of Teachers' Day, I just want to mention this to my students that anyone can be a teacher. Your next door neighbor, your brother, your parents, of course, they are the first teachers, your relatives, anyone can be a teacher who taught you anything simple. Go say Happy Teachers' Day to them and make them chuffed. Help them realize the goodness in them as well. Teachers not found in universities and colleges with a BSc and an MA or a PhD with their names as tags. They are not. So why don't you turn them gobsmacked? All those people, make them amazed saying Happy Teachers' Day. Do remember Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan today, because it's for his birthday, the 5th of September, we teachers get a devoted day for our significance. Lastly, God is a universal teacher, and you are his universal student. This relationship cannot change. Plus, for me, I miss my father, an All India radio artist and a music teacher. I miss my grandfather, again a music teacher and a doctor, homeopathic doctor, on this day. I was influenced by my biology teacher in my school as well, so I miss him, but he teaches somewhere else now. I got influenced largely by my mother, who's also a music teacher and a classical vocalist. And that's all I need to say to them. Happy Teachers' Day to them as well. And lastly, you people, you students, you are the persons for whom I or others call themselves teachers, and we get a classroom full of you and get the honor while you stand up. So on this Teachers' Day, I'm going to do you the honor, because for you, we are calling ourselves teachers. For you, we are what we are doing. I stand up for you, students, and I would like to say thank you very much.
तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा। सके ना वो फूल हम हैं तुम्हारे चरणों के धूल हम हैं जो खिल सके ना वो फूल हम हैं तुम्हारे चरणों के धूल हम हैं दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो माता पिता तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो
where we can get a chance to consider, to acknowledge the hard work of the teachers who mold a student into a great leader. This is the day known as Teachers' Day, which is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan, the second President of independent India, who himself was a great teacher, a philosopher and an educationalist. Today we are compelled to celebrate this fortunate day virtually because of this pandemic situation. Teachers are the frontliner of education, who are the pillars of any country. They are the invisible hands who guide, who shape the destiny of any student. They are the reason behind the successful career of a student. The teachers like Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam are some of the renowned names that given the meaning to the word teacher. Teachers are not necessarily in schools. Everything around us teaches us something or the other. The greatest of all the teachers is life, which teaches us the art of survival. Besides, our parents are the primemost teachers. Our friends, nature, animals, even if our last mistakes are the teachers. Yes, this is the day to homage, to pay honor all of them. I take privilege in wishing all my dearest, lovable and honorable teachers and my mentors in the school a very happy Teachers' Day. Feel proud and find boundless happiness
How are you?
to be a teacher.
I hope all my students are well and fine. I hope in this situation no one is going outside of their houses. Take precautions, okay? Today we have gathered to celebrate this Teachers' Day. Nobody would have thought that we would come together like this virtually to celebrate such occasions. We have already celebrated some. But I know all my students are getting bored at their houses. They're missing their school too much, right? Let me tell you, students, your school is incomplete without you. The schools are always will be incomplete without their students. The way you are missing your school, your friends, your classrooms, your teachers, and the studies, your teachers are missing you too. Their days are not getting started because we are habituated by your greetings, good mornings. So we are missing you too much, and all of you are meant so much to us. We miss your loving, cheering, your friends, your chaos, your disturbance, your innocence, your questions, and your silly jokes. We miss you so much. Your teachers are missing you too, just like you're missing your friends, just like you're missing your classrooms. I know all of you are getting so anxious that when your school will be started. We are too. I hope all my students will stay well and happy and healthy. And this pandemic situation we will overcome, and we will join together in our school, in your classroom, with your teachers, and with lots and lots of affection. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको सिखाई है। अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाई है। डांटे या डराए हमको आंखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। डांटे या डराए हमको आंखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से।
I wish a very good morning to everyone present in today's unavoidable occasion. I would like to offer my heartfelt respect to Principal Sir, to the Vice Principal Ma'am, to the educational instructor, to the school authority, and of course my teachers. Celebrating Teachers' Day at school is one of the finest memory from the school days. But unfortunately, this time we are not being able to celebrate in our school campus. We have prepared to surprise our teachers with all the speeches, paintings, songs, and recitations virtually that leaves a mark in the memory. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted soul who works every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impossible contribution in shaping us. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy, and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why they are special to them. It is my honor to talk about our teachers on this wonderful occasion. September 5th is marked by the birthday anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of President of our country, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was also a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Students across the country celebrate this day to pay respect and thank their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and make them ideal citizens of the country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development and well-being of the student and nations, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession. This is a saying that our parents are also our greatest teacher, especially our mothers. She started teaching us from the time when we are in her home. She is our first teacher who teaches us every phase of our life. Lastly, I'd like to extend my gratitude to every teacher, including my parents, for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers of Ideal Public School.
दारिये
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I want to pay my regards, hearty respects to our respected principal sir, Mamta ma'am, Dhara ma'am, Aditi ma'am, and all of my.
Hello students, I hope all of you are well and fine and no one is going outside in this pandemic situation. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. I know that you are missing your school, your friends too much. Your school is also missing you. We teachers are also missing you. We are missing your classrooms, your presence, your endless love and everything. We may not be close physically, but this advanced technology has brought us much closer mentally. Hopefully, we can overcome this situation, and what we have to do is to stay safe and healthy, and we have to stick with each other with love and affection. So children, stay home, stay safe.
ভালোবাসতে বলুন স্যার। অরূপ চৌধুরী। আমায় ডেকেছেন স্যার? বাবা এসেছিল? মাও? ও, বুঝেছি স্যার। ওরা কমপ্লেন করেছে পড়াশোনা করি না, তাই তো? তর্ক করি, জিনিস ভাঙি, মোবাইল চাই বলে জেদ ধরেছি। টিভি দেখতে চাই, তাই না স্যার? সব সব সত্যি স্যার। দিন শাস্তি দিন আমায় ওদের কথা শুনে। কি বললেন স্যার? শাস্তি দেবেন না? আপনি ওদের দলে নন? আমার কথা শুনতে চান? বলুন, বলুন কি শুনতে চান? ভালোবাসে বাবা, মা? কেউ না স্যার। ওরা ভালোবাসে পরীক্ষার 90%, আমাকে না। শুধু নম্বর চাই ওদের। ভালোবাসা নেই স্যার, ভালোবাসা নেই। ওদের কাছে ভালোবাসা, ওদের ভালোবাসা নম্বরের কনফার্ম ডিপোজিট। ওরা মানুষ গড়তে চায় না, চায় মেশিন। নম্বর তোলার জ্যান্ত একটা মেশিন। জানেন স্যার, ওরা আমাকে ফুল আঁকতে দেয় না, গুপি বাঘা গাইতে দেয় না। চাঁদ দেখতে চাইলে জোর করে স্টাডি টেবিলে ল্যাম্পের তলায় বই দেখায়। পথের পাঁচালি পড়তে গেলে প্রাইভেট টিউটরের সময় জানায়। জানেন স্যার, 9-এ পড়ি, 6টা টিউটর। আমাকে নিজেকে পড়তেই দেয় না ওরা। সত্যি বলছি স্যার, সর্বক্ষণ বকুনি, তুলনা, পিটুনি। শুতে, বসতে, খেতে, পালাতে ইচ্ছে করে স্যার। ইচ্ছে করে পৃথিবী ছেড়ে চলে যেতে। সত্যি বলছি স্যার, মেশিন হতে চাই না। জানেন স্যার, আজও খেতে পারিনি। খেতে বসে মায়ের রাগ, ভীষণ রাগ। টেপ রেকর্ডারটা ভেঙেই দিলাম রাগে। ভাতের থালা ফেলে বই কাঁধে স্কুলে চলে এলাম। ভালোবাসাহীন চাল সেদ্ধ হচ্ছে, উপোস করা ভালো স্যার। এই দেখুন, পেটে তীব্র খিদে, কিন্তু কোনো কষ্ট নেই। বন্ধুরা আছে এখানে, আপনারা আছেন, কত আপন করে ভালোবাসা আছে। এ কি স্যার, আপনি কাঁদছেন? কি বললেন? বসবো আপনার পাশে? বেশ, বসলাম। এ কি, টিফিন খুলছেন কেন স্যার? না না স্যার, ওটা আপনার টিফিন স্যার। আমি না খেলে আপনি আরো কাঁদবেন? খাচ্ছি স্যার, আমি নিজের হাতেই না। ও, আপনি খাইয়ে দেবেন? তাই দিন স্যার, তাই দিন। কতদিন এমনি করে কেউ খাইয়ে দেয়নি স্যার। এমনি করে আদর করে কাছে টেনে যদি বাবা মা। স্যার, আমি তো পড়তেই চাই নিজের মতো করে, কিন্তু ওরা চায় ওদের মতো। ওদের কাছে জীবন মানে জয়েন্ট এন্ট্রান্স, বিলো 90 মানেই ফুলাঙ্গার। ওরা চাবুক মারতে জানে স্যার, গায়ে হাত তুলতে জানে, আদর করতে জানে না। আচ্ছা বলুন তো স্যার, টব সুন্দর থাকলেই কি ফুল ফোটে? যদি না মাটি থাকে। সার দিলেই কি আর গাছ বড় হয় যদি না জল পায়? ওরা সব চোর স্যার, সব চোর। আমার স্বপ্ন চুরি করে, আমার সময়, হাসি, বন্ধু, খেলা, বয়স, ইচ্ছা, এই আকাশ, গাছ, পাখি, সব চুরি হয়ে গেছে স্যার, সব চুরি হয়ে গেছে। যদি ওদের গলা ধরে একটু আদর পেতে চাই, ওরা বলে বইকে জড়িয়ে ধরতে। যদি ওদের হাত ধরে সবুজ মাঠে যেতে চাই, ওরা বলে টিউশন যেতে। জ্বর গায়ে যদি একটু বিশ্রাম নিতে চাই, পাশ ফিরিয়ে ওরা শোনায় পরীক্ষার রুটিন। তখন রেগে প্রতিবাদ করি, ওরা প্ল্যান করে সাইকিয়াট্রিক দেখাবে। আসলে শতাব্দীর নতুন রোগ ওরাই। এ কি স্যার, টিফিন তো সব শেষ। আপনি কি বললেন? আপনার খিদে নেই? আমাকে খাইয়ে আপনার খিদে মিটলো? এই কথা দিলাম স্যার, এই কথা দিলাম। আর কিচ্ছু ভাঙবো না, আর মোবাইল চাইবো না। বকুনি খাবো, মার খাবো তো।
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this beautiful and joyous day. Yes, it's the day for the teachers, it's the day for the students, it's the day for everybody. It's Teachers' Day today. With due respect to our principal sir, Aditi ma'am, Dhara ma'am, all our team of teachers and lovely students and their parents as well, I thank you all for this wonderful opportunity to say a few words on this auspicious occasion. We know that this year the celebration will be a very different one, as all of you are planning to celebrate this day in a very different way. Yes, every one of us is missing the fun of the celebration of this day in the school environment. We do miss the fun when you students do not get the real classroom to decorate with the messages to wish us Happy Teachers' Day. We miss the fun when the class teacher doesn't come to you and declare that today there will be no study. Yes, we miss the fun when you do not get the board to write their names and draw their pictures. We do miss the fun when you do not get the only opportunity to imitate your teachers right in front of them and see even the most strict teacher's face full of smile. Where is the opportunity to play games with the teachers or to teach in front of the whole class in the presence of the teachers? And where is the fun when you cannot spend some time with the teachers on their day? We do really miss them, don't we? We all know that in the wake of coronavirus pandemic, all the schools have been closed for the last few months, and unfortunately during this time of Teachers' Day celebration as well. With online classes this year, the students and teachers will now be celebrating Teachers' Day 2020 virtually. Still, we are hopeful to overcome this tough time soon. Hope this year too we will all enjoy this day even in this challenging situation. Hope you all will offer your respect to the teachers who are working day and night for your betterment even in this pandemic situation. So let us conclude my speech with a few lines written by me. A teacher is he who imparts education. A teacher is he who builds a nation. A teacher is he who sleeps no night with peace. A teacher is he who proves what right is. A teacher is he who shows you your ambition. A teacher is he who helps you succeed your mission. A teacher is he who fulfills your dream. A teacher is he who prides when you gain self-esteem. A teacher is he who is next to your mom and dad. A teacher may be strict but not at all bad. A single day is not enough to celebrate this day. Let's every one of us take a pledge to listen, to obey, and to respect our teachers every day of our life, in every way of our life. As our ex-president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has rightly said, the purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Thank you. Enjoy this day.